bullish Spell token Spell cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $5 to $9 and $999 by 2030. Market experts accept Spell could reach $104,114 by 2025. Negative Spell token market cost expectation for 2023 is $994. Spell token Spell presentation. Spell token Spell is the local administration and marking badge of cross-blockchain loaning stage Abracadabra Cash. Fundamentally, the DeFi loaning project allows clients to set up guarantee in return for its stablecoin, $MIM Wizardry Web Cash. When MIM is in your wallet, you can trade it for other stablecoins or digital currencies where MIM is acknowledged. While this idea isn't new in the DeFi decentralized money space, Abracadabra contrasts from stages like OV since it acknowledges revenue-bearing tokens like $Memo, $X Sushi, and different bend curve tokens as security. Abracadabra additionally offers yield-cultivating valuable open doors, where clients can stake their liquidity supplier LP tokens to cultivate Spell tokens. The undertaking was established by Daniel Sester, who is additionally liable for Popsicle Money decentralized market producer and Wonderlandal and Pustau Fork, both on the torrential slide chain. Close by him are Zero, X Merlin, and Squirrel, fellow benefactors of Abracadabra, who deal with the stage and by and large recognize themselves as individuals from the Frog Country local area. In spite of the particular name, Abracadabra's prosperity justifies itself with real evidence. Last year, it created a normal of $22 million every week in expenses and around $5 billion in TVL. Furthermore, the organization kept $120 million in yearly income. Abracadabra Money is a decentralized crypto loaning stage that permits clients to collateralize computerized resources in return for stablecoin credits. Notwithstanding, Abracadabra is exceptional in that it uses interest-bearing tokens IBKNs, a kind of liquidity supplier LP token, as guarantee. These IBKNs are turning out to be progressively normal all through the decentralized money DeFi space. They produce constant returns, expanding in esteem the more one holds them. This development assists set Abracadabra and its auxiliary advances with enjoying Spell token and enchantment web cash $MIM aside from the current DeFi loaning stages accessible. At the focal point of the Abracadabra Cash is the MIM token, a US fixed stable coin that is supported by IBKNs. MIM tokens are printed by the multisig holders on Ethereum, and solely after being collateralized are they infused into course. Later on, they might be spanned to other blockchains. You can utilize MIM to purchase other, all the more worldwide acknowledged stablecoins like DAI and OSD, or you can purchase Bitcoin with MIM straightforwardly on Bitfinex through the BTC MIM pair. Algorithmic stablecoins, for example, MIM are given and consumed from the flowing stock to keep their worth fixed to the $1 mark. At the point when a client stores guarantee to Abracadabra and takes out a MIM token credit, the stage mints new MIM into the stockpile, moved by the client's IBKNs in the security obligation position. At the point when you reimburse the MIM, the convention consumes MIM from the stockpile, diminishing its general dissemination on the lookout. Those technicians grow and get the MIM supply, keeping it nailed to the stable $1 stake. Spell token is as of now worth $-11175 est. Spell has moved 211% as of now with an exchanging volume of $303,043,964. Spell token is as of now positioned 340 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $158,014,046 est. Using the overall strength file RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness MACD from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Spell token Spell to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Spell token Spell market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Spell token Spell value expectation 2023. Spell token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year's Spell. The Spell cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $1763. Likewise, with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1645 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Spell is supposed to have a base worth of $114. Spell token Spell value forecast 2024. In 2024, Spell token Spell cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SPEL will before long outperform dollars and UT 938. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the SPEL's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SPEL will exchange with a base exchanging cost of dollars down to 351 and a typical exchanging cost of dollars down to 586. SPEL token SPEL value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $4114 and SPEL might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SPEL is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3761 and a low of $3526 in 2025. SPEL token SPEL value forecast 2026. Assuming that SPEL token effectively helps market opinion among digital money aficionados, the SPEL coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SPEL will be green in 2026. The SPEL is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $5289, with a base cost of $4701 and a typical cost of $4936. SPEL token SPEL value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the SPEL cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $6112 by 2027, with a base cost of $5877 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, SPEL has a greatest value worth of $6464. SPEL token SPEL value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $7287. On the off chance that SPEL figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $764. Neglecting to assemble the help SPEL needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $752. SPEL token SPEL value expectation 2029. While SPEL is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $227 and a yearly cost close above $815 in 2029. SPEL token SPEL value expectation 2030. By 2030, SPEL token will at last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $943 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $990, averaging out at $9638. SPEL token SPEL value forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not